In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy drop-down lists in Google Sheets. If you've ever needed to replicate drop-down lists across your sheet for consistency and efficiency, but weren't sure how, you're in the right place. So, let's get started and see just how easy it is to do this. First things first, you'll want to open up your Google Sheets document and locate the cell that contains the drop-down list you wish to copy. Now, it's crucial here to ensure you're selecting the right cell, because this is where the magic of data validation takes place, allowing you to offer predefined choices to users. So, hover over your desired cell and click on it to select it. To copy this cell, you will need to use your keyboard shortcuts. On a Windows computer, press Ctrl+C, and for those using a Mac, it's CMD+C. This action will copy the content, or, more specifically, the data validation rules associated with that drop-down cell. Remember, this isn't just copying text. It copies the entire framework that makes your drop-down list function correctly. Next, you're going to need to decide where you want your copied drop-down list to appear. This could be just another single cell, or you might have a whole range in mind where you want these options to be available. Once you've decided, go ahead and select the target cell or the range of cells if you have multiple locations in mind. This selection marks where the copied drop-down list will be duplicated. With your target selected, it's time to paste. This isn't just your regular paste operation because we need to specifically target the drop-down settings. So, go ahead and right-click on the selected area. Doing this will open up a menu with various options. Now, hover over the Paste Special option, which will open another submenu. Here you need to choose Paste Data Validation Only. By selecting this, Google Sheets will apply only the data validation rules from your copied cell to the new location, rather than any text or numbers. And there you have it. You've just successfully copied a drop-down list in Google Sheets. By following these steps, you ensure that your drop-down functionality is consistent wherever you need it, without the hassle of manually setting up the list each time. This small but effective trick can save you a lot of time, especially when working with large datasets. Plus, it helps maintain uniformity across your sheets, ensuring everyone's selecting from the same options, which is key for data accuracy and integrity. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please remember to like and subscribe for more handy tips and tricks. See you next time.